good afternoon everyone. Let me extend my heartiest congratulations to each and everyone who's been participating in this beautiful pre-Diwali Mela. Let me also wish you a very, very happy Diwali, a very prosperous Diwali, the best festival of our country. I've been in skill development and whatever little I have seen, I'm going to see each and every stall in the next few minutes. But then I can only say that luckily now I'm chairing the Governing Council of India Skills Development Council, and any support, any help, anyone, any young entrepreneur is looking for, they can please contact us so that we can highlight your products, highlight your achievements, and can make you a part of India's Skill Development Council, which is now recognized by Government of India. I'm very happy that so many people this time. Last year I came here and I found probably half of the hall was full, but this time I'm happy that so many people are participating. This shows the spirit of the woman. So let's give a big hand to all the women present here.
It's been a pleasure, really a pleasure to be here as a part of this important event. So it's been a good chance to share this moment. So thank you for inviting me.
So thank you so much first of all कि सर का मैसेज जरूर आता है मेरे पास मेरी का पहुंचे हुए. So thank you so much first of all, and I hope you are enjoying and having great fun, and I can see so many beautiful things यहाँ पर. So करते हैं enjoy फिर यहाँ पर साथ में आप सबके साथ बातचीत करूँगा अभी. And once again I'm really sorry कि इतना ज़्यादा मैं late हो गया हूँ क्योंकि I was traveling, I was shooting, there were so many things was happening एक ही साथ. तो really sorry once again.
I would like to know, after seeing this amazing exhibition, this creativity, what are your feelings now?
What a colorful exhibition. I'm so amazed, I'm so touched. I can feel that the whole colorful India is right now at the same time under one roof. I think it's very lucrative, very attractive, and very fascinating. I must extend my heartiest congratulations to Mrs. Anju Handa for actually bringing so many people together at the same time under one roof. I've seen jewelry, I've seen clothes, I've seen handicrafts, I've seen hand products, wooden products. My God, what a variety. This shows that how creative India is, how colorful India is. And I think these kind of exhibitions must be promoted in a big way, and I think I'll request Government of India to get involved in these kind of exhibitions and promote them not only in Delhi but in different towns also. And I think these kind of exhibitions are going to give a lot of boost to women enterprises, and especially to women who are a little more need support in business. So exhibition is one part, and I think the second part is the business, what they do in these kind of exhibition. So I wish them all the success, a very bright future, and I extend my heartiest greetings to each and everyone on this beautiful day of Deepavali.
What are your views on Diwali? What do you feel about it? ये आपके लिए कैसा festival है?
See, there is no festival bigger than Deepavali. It's associated with entertainment, it is associated with religion, it is associated with spirituality, and the best part is that it is also associated with the upliftment of human being, because there are many reasons why we celebrate Deepavali. When we say we are lighting the lamp, that means that we are brightening up our knowledge. We want to educate ourselves, educate in every field so that we can have a better India tomorrow. That's what Deepavali means. And obviously it's a festival of colors, it's a festival of greetings, it's a festival of celebrations, and I wish everyone a very, very happy and prosperous Diwali. I wish everyone best of health, wealth, and prosperity.
Today we have with us Miss Anju Handa ji, and she's an entrepreneur, women entrepreneur, right? So ma'am, I want to know that आप women entrepreneurs को encourage कर रही हैं इस platform के through, इस amazing exhibition के through, जहाँ पे मैंने आज बहुत सारी creativity देखी है. तो आप मुझे बताइए कि आपका motive क्या है इनको encourage करने का, इनको आगे बढ़ावा देने का?
Okay, personally, I am into event management. I do organize many events, but particularly this kind of an exhibition I have organized just to promote women. I always believe that women have great potential and they have so many hidden talents in them. The idea is to promote and bring out their hidden talents. So through this exhibition, I want to provide them a platform where they can exhibit their products, they can exhibit their talent, and they can also feel confident that they can also do something. So that is the idea. Recently I have written a book also on women entrepreneur, which was the journey of women entrepreneur from can I to I can.
Oh, beautiful.
You know, so can I means once that women always feels that whether I will be able to do it or not, and then finally a day come when they can. So I am basically trying to bring out their confidence. I am trying to provide them a platform where they can showcase their talent and then come out, and then they can reach to somewhere, and then they can realize that sky is the limit. They can reach anywhere, you know.
How beautiful thoughts you have. I'm amazed, and I wish you a very good luck for your book as well. एग्जीबिशन तो हिट है ही. आई थिंक ये लास्ट ईयर भी आपने करी थी और उससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छी है ये. अब तो दैट्स अमेजिंग. एंड अच्छा, अब आप मुझे बताइए कि दिवाली आने वाली है, ठीक है, तो दिवाली को लेकर आपके क्या व्यूज़ हैं? इस बार तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बैन लगा दिया क्रैकर्स पे, तो अब आप कैसे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, क्या मैसेज देंगे लोगों को?
आई थिंक ये बहुत ही अच्छा डिसीजन है जो मैं कई सालों से सोचती हूँ. दिवाली के दिन मैं कई बार सोचती हूँ कि मैं दिल्ली को छोड़ के बाहर चली जाऊँ क्योंकि इतना नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन होता है. एयर पोल्यूशन तो होता ही, लेकिन जो नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन होता है दैट इज़ टू डेंजरस. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट डेंजरस फॉर्म ऑफ पोल्यूशन. सो आई थिंक पीपल नीड टू बी वेरी सेंसिबल that busting a cracker is like lighting your money. So instead of they can utilize that money in some creative pursuit, they can also do some kind of a help to many people around who cannot afford even today's meal. I believe that burning cracker is totally a waste of money, and then it adds on to the pollution and it spoils the atmosphere also. So it is a very welcome decision by the Supreme Court, I think.
So I can see lots of beautiful stuff and it's really appealing to my eyes. अब मुझे creativity दिख तो रही है, but मैं creativity सुनना चाहती हूँ. So may I know your name first?
Yeah, my name is Praneta.
Hi ma'am. So just tell me that what is the idea of making this all and कहाँ से आती है इतनी सारी creativity?
This is all God gift, you know, and inspiration from my family and kids. That's it. This is all hand painted. This is mixed media art and decoupage that I do at home when I have some time.
So do you have any brand name where we can come and buy such beautiful stuff on this all? We can check it out.
Yeah, sure. This is under the name of Itirich Craft Studio, and it's on Instagram and Facebook also.
So may I know your name first?
Yeah, hi, I'm Parul.
And your brand name?
My brand name is Febura.
That's amazing. So what is the motive behind your brand name? Why you chose this?
See, I believe in handloom fabric, all handmade stuff. So you can see all my stuff is cotton and handmade stuff. So I feel Febura is suitable for the product.
Amazing. So we can see the stuff. I can see some beautiful bags and some handloom sarees. Amazing work, amazing collection for Diwali. Colorful. Okay, nice. So just tell me that why did you what was the idea behind making this? क्या आता है दिमाग में जब ये creativity आती है?
You know, I always love handloom fabric, handloom cotton stuff. So I feel which you love, you should keep stuff that you know. So I kept all these sarees and I have got wonderful response of these sarees and these bags.
So now I can see some beautiful handmade soaps over here, right? So let's talk to the lady who has done this creativity. So hi, may I know your name?
दीप्ति.
Hi. So आप बताइए मुझे कि ये इतनी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें आप कैसे बनाते हैं?
It is absolutely, it is your creativity. It is something different because mostly हम जो soaps use करते हैं मार्केट में, हमें पता नहीं होता उन soaps के अंदर क्या है. but we can guarantee you what we using is totally chemical free, natural, organic, and be it any skin type, you can customize according to your skin also. So that is the unique selling point about my soaps.
तो अब ये इतने स्पेशल सोप का ब्रांड नेम तो आप शेयर करिए, और कहाँ से मिलेंगे, कैसे मिलेंगे लोगों को?
मेरे ब्रांड का नेम है एलिक्सियर एंड विच मीन्स अमृत इन हिंदी. So it is like amrit to your skin, so that is what I got the idea from. And we are Delhi NCR based only. We have a Facebook page also, and for more details you can take down our card.
Surely. And I suppose that you're using the same soap because I can see that glow on your face as well.
Thank you for the compliment. Thank you again. We have all the varieties of soap, be it kesar, oatmeal, all the different things you can pick it up from your house. Supposingly there is an ice cream stick for your kids, they'll get fascinated also, and you can use that also. मतलब बच्चे भी खुश, हम भी खुश, सब कोई, हमारी स्किन भी खुश.
And I am sure going to buy this one at least. It appeals to me, and you also come and buy your stuff quickly. जब तक खत्म ना हो जाए उससे पहले. Some more handmade stuff, handmade envelopes, boxes, and let's talk to the lady. Okay. Hi, may I know your name?
Hi, I'm Manpreet.
Hi, ma'am. So just tell me, share something about your creativity.
Okay, actually, this is something that I've started out of my interest, and these exclusively handmade things like to cater to each and every gifting requirements, which cannot be like market has a standard things that are available. So we have tried to recreate like whatever a client wants from his side. Like if he wants it in a particular color, in a particular design, so we have tried to bring it kind of a thing, a personalized thing, to add their personal touch to the giftings. So that will allow them to add up much more feelings to their giftings, like what it is available in the market or what they can buy and give. So I've just tried that and putting the best creativity to use in whatever color they want, and so we've just tried that.
That's amazing. So please share your brand name so that we can come and collect this beautiful stuff.
Sure. It's not just a brand name. I would say that that's my dream, and I call it Celebration Manpreet because it has to do everything with a celebration and all kinds of celebrations, like for birthday parties, for weddings and everything.
So that's amazing. They provide you with customized things as well. तो जल्दी से आइए ज़ब zoom करके और देखिए stuff. It's amazing. तो ये है कुछ अमेजिंग सा और स्टफ़, और मुझे दिख रहा है काफ़ी सारा, ये सारा ओके आपने ये सारा मतलब ताश के पत्ते, कसिनो बेस्ड. Okay, amazing. So why you chose this? What's the idea behind it?
Basically into themes. Every theme we create. So there's a casino theme, there's baby shower theme, we have a superhero theme, bachelorette theme, any theme we can customize. So this is a season for Tash parties. So we're doing it.
ये सब कुछ handmade है?
Everything is handmade. Everything is created by us. New design create करते हैं हम लोग, उसके बाद खुद बनाते हैं. Nothing is from market.
नाइस वर्क. तो अब मुझे अपना ब्रांड नेम तो बताइए ना, कैसे आके लेंगे?
वी आर फ्रॉम आसमीज क्रिएटिव हब.
ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड यू आर डूइंग अमेजिंग क्रिएटिव वर्क. कीप इट अप.
थैंक यू सो मच.
तो अब हम देखते हैं कुछ दिवाली ज्वेलरी एंड सुनते हैं जिसने इसे बनाया है उनके मुँह से कि क्या कंसेप्ट था और कहाँ से लाती हैं ये इतनी सारी क्रिएटिविटी.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैप्पी दिवाली ऑल ऑफ़ यू. एंड समायरा बाय श्वेता मेरा ब्रांड है. अभी मैंने कुछ साल पहले स्टार्ट किया है और काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस है. बेस्ट चीज़ ये है कि हमने अपनी सारी ज्वेलरी को अफोर्डेबल रेंज में रखा है. आई कैन से बीटेबल प्राइस, अनबीटेबल प्राइस, और सबके बजट को ध्यान में रखते हुए, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि दिवाली के आसपास सभी का बजट बहुत थोड़ा होता है लेकिन ख़रीदना बहुत कुछ होता है. तो मैंने अपने कलेक्शन में 200 से ईयरिंग स्टार्ट की हैं. आप 550 के रेंज में विद ईयरिंग्स नेक पीस आप देख सकते हो झुमकीज़ के साथ. एंड प्योर सिल्वर की रेंज 950 से स्टार्ट की है. पॉकेट फ्रेंडली कलेक्शन है मेरा, एंड आई होप कि बहुत अच्छा जाए ये अंजू हंडा जी का शो. और हाँ, वी ऑल विल रॉक टुगेदर. थैंक यू सो मच।
तो अब बारी आ गई है इतनी सारी चीज़ें देखने के बाद, इयररिंग से लेकर बैग से लेकर सब कुछ देखने के बाद कुछ खाने पीने की, कुछ मीठी चीज़ों की। तो अब हम बात करते हैं एक ऐसे इंसान से, एक ऐसी गर्ल से जो सबकी लाइफ में हैप्पीनेस एंड स्वीटनेस फैला रही है। तो मैम, मे आई नो योर नेम फर्स्ट?
Pretty.
एंड योर ब्रांड नेम?
Choco House.
That's amazing. तो I can see a lot of creative work, और इनको खाने का तो कभी मन नहीं करेगा। अगर मैंने खरीद ली तो बस सजा के रख दूँगी मैं तो। तो आप बताइए कि किस तरीके से आप, ये ऑल हैंडमेड है?
Handmade. ये सारी हैंडमेड है।
तो आप शेयर करिए कुछ कि किस तरीके से बनाती हैं एंड कहाँ से इतनी क्रिएटिविटी लाती हैं आप?
सो मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ डिज़ाइनर चॉकलेट्स, विच इज़ वाई आप ये सारी इतनी क्रिएटिव चीज़ें इसमें यहाँ पे देख रहे हो। सो आई बिलीव इन क्रिएटिंग ऑल थीम्स एंड न्यू फ्लेवर्स। तो मेरे पास 100+ फ्लेवर्स हैं और 500+ थीम्स हैं, एंड रेंज भी बहुत है, आयुर्वेदिक, इंडियन, शुगर फ्री। सो इट इज़ जस्ट नॉट मतलब ओनली चॉकलेट्स per se, it is a lot of variety that I give in chocolates.
Amazing. And where can we find your stuff? Like कहाँ से आपको connect करें और ढूंढें?
Search by Choco House Noida and then you'll be able to find me.
Hi, so I can see some good beauty stuff. Beauty is very important for every girl, I believe. So just share your concept with us, please, and your name, your brand name.
Okay, so I'm Dr. Deepti Sehgal and my brand name is The Ancient Beauty. And this range is all about reviving the ancient art of self-care and beauty maintenance, revived from the ancient cultures, global ancient cultures of the world, including Ayurveda culture, Oriental culture, and various other cultures to be launched over time.
Yeah, that's amazing. So this is all handmade stuff?
This is all handcrafted, yes.
How do you make it?
So this is a combination. So how the products come up is based on the properties of the ingredients. Like some ingredients have scrubbing properties, some ingredients have exfoliation, cleansing properties, some ingredients have stimulating properties. So being a doctor, I was exposed to the ancient ways of self-care and the properties of these ingredients. So this is a combination of these ingredients combined together to serve the specific purpose for your skin. So this range can be used entirely, you know, you can just go off and your commercial products altogether and be on these, starting from face wash to a scrub to rather this is a massage cream. So this is all natural. You just this you can just, you know, just feel it. So you can go away with your massage cream and use this for massaging your face. So this is like total home spa made from all natural ingredients, and this is also powder based. So you just add water to it and it forms a cream base. So this is the cream base.
This is amazing. Amazing. I can see this all pure stuff and it won't harm your skin, I believe. Nice. All the very best, and I wish you a very happy Diwali. Keep up the good work you are doing. All the very best.